Welcome to the third video of section 3. In the previous video, we saw a small example where we used WebDriver to locate and verify its own documentation. In this video, let's go ahead and take a look at some more features of Selenium WebDriver. Let's take a look at the list of browsers WebDriver supports: Firefox, Chrome, IE, Safari, Opera, HTML Unit, iPhone, and Android. You can check the following page for more details regarding browser support. In this case, a WebDriver is the same as a browser. You may have never heard of HTML Unit as a browser. HTML Unit is a headless browser implemented in pure Java. Headless means that it will not show anything on the screen. It's non-graphical. HTML Unit is therefore one of the fastest browsers we can use to implement a test. It's a great tool when you don't really need the graphical experience when it comes to using an actual browser. You can also use Phantom.js for the same purpose. HTML Unit is probably not a great alternative if you wish to implement cross-browser testing. That is, test your web application using many different browsers. There are also drivers for iOS and Android. These can be used to test web applications on iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. The iOS and Android drivers are not meant for testing apps on these devices. They will only test web applications with the help of native browsers. The secret behind supporting so many browsers is that they all implement the same Java interface. That is, they must all implement the same methods. WebDriver has a small interface. It doesn't really implement a lot of methods. This is the largest difference between Selenium RC and WebDriver. Selenium RC has a very large set of features. Many of them were syntactic sugar. The WebDriver API is much smaller. In this video, we have skimmed through a few features of WebDriver and glanced at a few browsers that WebDriver supports. Let me walk you through the WebDriver API in the next video. Join me there.